Hi, I'd like to show you how to use Webex to make a screencast. What's easy to do, all you would do, in fact what I'm going to do here is actually share a PowerPoint slide with you to show you exactly how to do this. So this is part of the Suddenly Remote series, a quick and dirty guide to using Webex for screen recording. I'm Dr. Larry Malik, Western Michigan University. Here's what you need to do. These are the steps. You might want to pause the video, take a screenshot. This is designed for people at Western Michigan, but anyone can do this. You would go to webex.com, your particular domain. And if you want more control, you can download a desktop app, or you can just use it straight from your browser. Sign into your room, and then immediately lock the room. By locking the room, you just go to the menu, click Meeting, and Lock Meeting. You want to know where to have that file saved, so you would go Meeting, Recorder Settings, and then select your computer, which would be faster, or you could save it to the cloud, which is slower, but then it doesn't fill up your hard drive with the files. Make sure things you want to share are ready. Then you would click Start Meeting on Webex. Test your audio and video sources, and it's going to prompt you to start it again. Press the red circle or click the red circle at the bottom to record, and then it's going to ask you to click Record again, and give you a place to share, actually where to save that file. And then you will do Share Content, select whatever window you want, such as I picked this PowerPoint deck. Click Stop Recording. It'll prompt you. It already prompted you for the save location earlier, so it probably won't prompt you again. Click X to end your meeting, and then that recording will be rendered and saved to your computer, and then notifications will appear on the bottom right of your screen to tell you when it's done. And when that file's ready, now what? You upload it to e-learning or YouTube, or you can use it any other way you want to use it. So you're essentially done at that point. So good luck. It's a relatively easy way to record, say, a lecture for a classroom or other content that's going to be delivered asynchronously. Good luck.